Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see the overall market cap is sitting at $2.74 trillion, and we are up 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.8%. One thing to keep in mind is that we have seen newer all-time highs set in the overall crypto market cap, so that is a very historic time for the entire space. So I would like to congratulate all the crypto holders in this space. And before we get into the content, guys, Bitcoin has officially hit newer all-time highs, which I was anticipating for quite a while. And as Q4 started, that's exactly what we saw happen. So whether or not you hold Bitcoin or not, this is a historic time for the entire space. So give yourself a pat on the back to be part of this historic moment. But if we were looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see over the last 24 hours to the 7 days, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board. Obviously, in the last 1 hour, we are seeing some mild red across the board, but nothing to worry about, guys, because this month of October, the start of Q4, has been nothing but insanely bullish gains being made across the board. So, it has lived up to the hype, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. But today, guys, I want to look further into none other than XRP. Alright, my XRP family, if you guys are looking at the XRP price right now, you guys can see we are currently trading at $1.15. We are up 4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and we are also up 2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So we are seeing XRP obviously go up with the Bitcoin's momentum. Obviously, we're not seeing it outpace Bitcoin, but as Bitcoin goes up to crazy highs, we are going to see the overall market momentum shift as well and follow in the same sequence, but that does not necessarily mean that we will see it outperform the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. But if we are looking at the overall XRP's market cap, we're still sitting at $53.8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume to be at $4.4 billion. So that's something nice that I would like to point out, that the buying pressure is there right now for us. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 7 spot, but if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 371%. Obviously, we are not seeing the type of parabolic moves that we have seen in majority of the altcoins in the top 100 if we are looking at the 1 year pattern. But you guys need to keep in mind that, we are still in this SEC lawsuit with Ripple, Ripple and the SEC lawsuit that has been going on, and that's getting delayed. I believe it's getting kind of, it's kind of becoming a joke in my opinion at this point, because I believe they're just delaying it on purpose. But you guys want to stick around in this video because I will explain as to what I believe is going to happen and where we could see XRP's price go in the immediate short term. So now if we are checking out the charts, you guys can see XRP is still hovering within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys see we saw us go all the way down when we saw the Bitcoin price pullback on September 22nd. We saw us go all the way down to the support level at this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. This is a nice strong level of support, which was around this 85 cents. So if you manage to pick up some XRP around here, you would be up, as of recording this video, you would be up a nice 33.3%. But now comes a question that everyone obviously wants to know: what is next? What is next with the XRP's price? Why is XRP so boring? I've been reading these comments, and by no means am I saying this is all of you guys, but we're obviously going to get some people that just want to see moon happen overnight. That's obviously not how things work. You need to have patience. And right now, we do need to keep in mind that Bitcoin is seeing insane moves being made right now. All-time high has been set at, we saw it go to $67,000 today. and a new all-time high was set for the Bitcoin price. And I could continue. I could honestly see this price go up even further, because there's a lot of momentum building in the price of Bitcoin right now, which is causing the BTC dominance to sharply increase, which we also predicted in our last couple of videos. Because when Bitcoin is seeing these kind of moves, guys, what we tend to see happen is that altcoin money goes back into Bitcoin, and that really causes the Bitcoin dominance index to increase, causing the altcoins to trade sideways rather than going up with the overall markets. So as this number continues to go up, I believe this can even possibly continue to see more newer highs for the BTC dominance index as the price of Bitcoin goes towards the upside. That could mean that altcoins for the immediate short term could trade sideways, and that's exactly what we have seen happen with the price of XRP along with a lot of other altcoins. You guys can see XRP has been trading sideways. You guys can see we are not seeing XRP zooming like this along with the Bitcoin price. Definitely not, and that's mainly due to the fact that BTC dominance has been increasing quite sharply, and we're not seeing the altcoin season that everyone is anticipating. I believe we are going to see that altcoin season occur, definitely the one that we did see back in 2017. Everything is playing out, everything is playing out historically, but this time around it could be definitely way more different. We could see that type of parabolic move, but we could probably not see that type of bear market that we saw back in 2017. 2018 to 2019, because this time around we are seeing so much institutional interest that we have never ever seen before. So that could really mean things could shift around. But what does that mean for the XRP's price right now? Like I said, XRP is trading sideways. But one thing to keep in mind that a lot of people are ignoring, guys, a lot of people are ignoring this one single thing. And you need to hear me out on this. Despite the fact that SEC and Ripple lawsuit is going on, there's so much uncertainty within the price of XRP. People are saying, "Oh, this lawsuit is going on. Is XRP? What if this lawsuit? What if Ripple doesn't win this lawsuit?" But one thing you guys want to keep in mind is that you guys don't want to underestimate the power and the dedication of the XRP's army. Despite the fact what's going on, we have seen XRP trade within this range, within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. No matter what, it has been trading sideways around this level, and considering the lawsuit is still going on. So that really shows you the power of the holders. And if you look at the ranking, guys, the ranking has never ever left the top 10 for the price of for the XRP's ranking on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It has never ever dropped below top 10. That really should show you the power of the holders. And I believe, guys, there's something that is telling me that this lawsuit, we have been hearing a lot of news come out in favor of XRP. And once this lawsuit or this settlement comes up about, I believe XRP community is going to be rewarded quite heavily, and they deserve it 100%, because let me tell you why. I know personally, I know some people that are huge XRP fans from day one, and I remember when this initial SEC lawsuit came out, we saw XRP drop quite sharply. We saw it go down to like 18 cents. I remember these certain people that I know, they were, there was major fear across the board, but what were they doing? They were buying up XRP because that's how much they believe in the project. And as a matter of fact, we saw what happened. More and more good news started coming out. Things were in favor of XRP, and you guys really see what has been happening with the price of XRP. We saw it hit all-time highs for this year, not actual all-time highs, but for this year we saw it hit almost $2. And imagine the people that bought at 18 cents, guys. So you guys get the picture as to what I'm trying to say. And you guys also don't want to ignore the fact that Ripple as a company keeps on delivering and innovating and expanding their brand itself. You would think that a company, when they're facing such a big lawsuit, they would just be, like, whatever, I'm just going to focus on this lawsuit. We're going to stop innovating. But no, Ripple has been innovating and innovating, and they are planning to go public. They're planning to go public once, this lawsuit comes to a conclusion. Imagine what's going to happen to the price of XRP when this goes live. When Ripple goes live, public. I believe that is going to by far be one of the most historic moments for the entire space, and I really do see XRP going insane. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. But I'm a huge believer on this, project, and I do believe that the time is very, very near, guys. The altcoin season is going to occur very, very soon. But right now, we need to see Bitcoin settle down and trade sideways before that happens. And once that happens, guys, I still believe we are going to see newer all-time highs being set for XRP this year or early next year. And if this lawsuit were to come to a conclusion, let's say it were to come to a conclusion at a perfect time, right when altcoins are about to pop off, then sky's the limit for the project of XRP. Long term speaking, sky's the limit. But this short term speaking, let's say a lawsuit comes to an end, they go public, we could definitely see some crazy, crazy heights being made for the price of XRP. So right now, I would personally like for XRP to go out of this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and get back into this 38.2. And once we get back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, this is all-time high territories, and then things could really start moving. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? What are your thoughts on XRP? Are you holding long term? Or what are your thoughts on this whole lawsuit? Where could you see the price go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. Always remember, your support means the world to me, and it does not go unnoticed. Thank you once again. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're back on the grind. Keep supporting me. We're about to take this content to another level. But let me know in the comment section below what other projects you want me to cover, and I will bring you guys just that. But with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.